For this recipe, we are going to need 1 banana, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of oatmeal, half a tablespoon of baking powder, vanilla essence, cinnamon, and honey, and we're good to go. So first, we're going to start off by peeling the banana. The next step, we are going to cut the banana into much smaller pieces all the way down, just so it'll be easier to mash it up. The next step would be to add the oatmeal into the mixing bowl with the mashed banana, and then we're going to add the 1 egg. After thoroughly mixing that, we are going to add the tablespoon of baking powder, and then we're going to mix it again until it's well. For the next step, we're going to be adding our vanilla essence, the cinnamon, and lastly, we're going to add our honey all the way. For the last step, we are just going to put in our mixture on the microwave and set it at 3 minutes, and then it should be good to go. And now for our finished product, we have our easy to make microwave baked banana bread. The target audience that we have chosen for this video are mainly the foodies. These includes women aged between 25 to 45, mostly mothers who love to bake for their family, as well as working class people who on their free time enjoy cooking and looking for quick and easy to make recipes. Our title was Banana Bread Recipe, How to Make It in 5 Easy Steps for 2021. And we think that this is an engaging title for our target audience. We chose to follow the SEO instructions to rank better by using the main keyword at the beginning, as well as adding the current year and using parentheses.